Hello guys, welcome to your Linux tutorial, and in this particular Linux tutorial we are going to talk about the pwd command. The pwd stands for print working directory, and we already discussed what a working directory is, and just as a quick refresher, the working directory is the directory you are currently located in. And now that I press enter, I actually get the absolute path. Why the absolute path? Because it starts from the root folder, and I actually get the directory that I'm currently in. But again, this entire thing is actually an absolute path, which tells me where am I located. Okay, so this is just a very useful command. You can always type in pwd if you're not sure where you're currently in, press enter, and you will get the absolute path telling you where you are in. That is which directory you are in. Okay, so this was it for this tutorial. Pretty quick. I hope you learned something useful, and I will see you in the next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe. Talk soon.